The newest leaked build of One UI 8.5 has revealed another change for Samsung users, and this one is something people have been asking for a long time. Samsung's upcoming software update for the Galaxy S25 series keeps getting better with every leak, and the latest one focuses on improving the status bar. This update is meant to make the interface look cleaner and more organized, especially for people who use two SIM cards. A few months ago, an early test firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared online. That leak gave us the first real look at One UI 8.5 and showed several visual changes that made Samsung's software look fresher and more modern. Since then, more new leaked builds have come out. Each one has added small improvements that show Samsung is slowly polishing the update before release. The newest leaked version brings another helpful change, especially for dual SIM users. Right now, in One UI 8, if you use two SIM cards, the status bar shows two separate signal icons. Each SIM gets its own signal bar. For many people, this looks messy and takes up too much space. Users have been asking Samsung to redesign it for years. Finally, the new leak shows that Samsung has made the change. In the latest One UI 8.5 build, the two separate icons are replaced by one single network icon. This one icon shows the signal strength for both SIM cards at once. This makes the status bar look cleaner and less crowded. It removes extra clutter and gives the top of the screen a more polished and modern appearance. The new icon is simple, easy to understand, and fits well with current design trends. Some people may notice that this design looks similar to the style used in Apple's iOS. On iPhones that support dual SIM cards, the system also shows one combined network icon. Because of this, some users might say Samsung is following Apple's design, but what really matters is that the new icon improves clarity and makes the interface easier to read. Dual SIM phones are extremely common in many countries, and having a cleaner status bar makes everyday use more comfortable for everyone. With each leak, we get a clearer idea of what One UI 8.5 will look like. Samsung is not just changing one or two things. It is updating many parts of the interface to make the whole system feel smoother and more modern. Previous leaks have shown changes to the quick panel, where buttons and toggles are arranged in a simpler and more organized layout. There are also reports that the Now bar may get two new features. Even Samsung Internet has been redesigned to match the new style of One UI 8.5. All these updates show that Samsung wants the new version to look cleaner, more unified, and more visually balanced. There is more happening behind the scenes as well. Some testers who are trying early versions of One UI 8.5 on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 have shared short previews. These previews show improvements in multitasking and system navigation. The new design direction focuses on removing extra clutter, improving spacing, and giving the whole system a more premium look. The unified network icon fits perfectly into this idea. It may seem like a small detail, but it shows Samsung is paying attention to every part of the design. Even though One UI 8.5 is still a few months away from its official launch, the leaks already give us a good idea of what is coming. The new combined dual SIM icon may look like a small tweak, but it shows Samsung is listening to user feedback and improving things that matter in daily use. These kinds of updates help make the Galaxy S25 series and other future devices feel more refined and enjoyable. As development continues, we will probably see even more small changes and design updates in future leaks. Samsung usually saves the final visual touches for the later stages of testing, so the final version of One UI 8.5 might look even better than what we see now. For now, the leaked builds show that Samsung is focused on making practical improvements rather than big dramatic changes. People who want to check out the new quick panel or other early features can watch videos from testers who already have access to the leaked firmware. These previews help show how the new update works and what kinds of improvements Samsung is planning for its next generation of devices. Overall, One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be cleaner, smoother, and more polished. The unified network icon is just one example of Samsung moving toward a simpler and more modern interface. It gives us an early look at the experience Samsung is preparing for the Galaxy S25 and other upcoming phones.